Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And we are parting out a 1979 Sportster. The engine number is authentic, as well as the engine cases, the belly numbers match. Right here, then underneath the primary cover on the other side. It appears to be okay. The motor turns over. I don't have a title for this, and actually, this came from a guy that did a big yard cleanup, and the bike was abandoned for years, and we don't have a title for it. So we're selling it for parts. I figured someone could use something. Okay, over here, let's talk about the engine cases. The only issue that I really see is right here where the sprocket cover goes on. We've got a little breakaway right there. They could be fixed, and there's a lot of them out there running around like that. And same as down here. This has some issues too, but they don't appear to leak. So let's go to the other side of the motor. The stand's not included because we need this. So Kenny's going to turn this over. The shift shaft is bent right here. You can see that. That's bent. But we see no other damage on the cases. Okay, so it turns over. Compression on the rear. There you go. Compression on the rear and front. Yep. Now, I would be, there we go. Okay. I would personally pull it down and make sure everything is good. When we got it, it came in boxes, and I don't know what the guy was planning on doing with it or nothing. However, we have I believe we used to call these crow's eyes. These go behind the cams. When we got it, the cams are out of it for whatever reason. I don't know why. I really don't know why. You never know what happens. Also included is the primary chain adjuster, clutch ram, front sprocket, and we actually have the generator gear. So we'll throw all that in. However, we will throw in this cover, and it looks like it's good, but it's been chromed. We're gonna wash it, obviously, but it's gooned. But I mean, it's better than nothing. We're gonna clean it up and make it look a little better than it is now. Here, we're gonna offer this for sale on eBay with a $500 opening bid. And we may have low-cost shipping available on request, as we will be traveling to the south the week of October 8th. So we'll be going through Charlotte, North Carolina, and possibly parts of Georgia. So there's possibly low-cost shipping available on request. So this is pretty cool, and good luck. Okay, thanks.